Welcome to this tutorial on using the import feature. Today, I'll show you how to easily import a story file using automatic chapter title recognition. Now let's get started. The import feature allows you to convert your text file into properly formatted chapters automatically. It's particularly useful when you have a single story file with clearly marked chapter titles following a specific format. In this example, I have a story with 20 chapters. First, click the Import button to enter the import interface. You'll see a form where you can enter your story's title. This will be the main title for your entire imported work. Next, upload your text file. This file should contain your complete story, including all your chapters with their titles. Finally, look for the drop-down menu labeled Select Chapter Title Format. This is where you'll tell the system how to recognize your chapter titles. Simply select the format that matches how you've written your chapter titles in your text file. For example, if your chapter titles are written as Chapter 1: the beginning, choose that corresponding format. Don't see your chapter title format in the drop-down menu? No problem. You can easily create your own custom format. For instance, if your chapters are formatted like Part 1, dash, The Journey Begins, or 1, vertical bar, The Adventure, you can create a format that matches your specific style. Now, let me switch back to the format that matches my story. The system can adapt to your unique formatting needs, making it simple to import your story exactly the way you've written it. Now that we've uploaded my text file and selected the right chapter format, we're ready for the next step. The system will automatically scan through your entire text file, searching for chapter titles that match your chosen format. The system will identify each chapter title and use them as natural breakpoints to separate your story into individual chapters. At this point, most of the work is done. The system has automatically divided your story into chapters. However, if you need to make some adjustments, we've made that easy for you. The split chapter function lets you divide a chapter into two separate parts. This is useful if the system accidentally combined two chapters, or if you want to create a new breakpoint within a chapter. And the Combine Chapters function does the opposite. It allows you to merge two chapters into one. This comes in handy if the system has created an extra break where you didn't want one. Once you're satisfied with all the chapters, you're ready to move forward. Simply click the Finish Import and Publish button to release your entire story at once. It's that easy to share your completed chapters with your readers. Once you bulk publish, the writing tool will remember your story's plot, characters, and key events.